In this house, I have my own corner. I always call it like Sarah's corner.
Against you and breathe, feel your heartbeat.
I do need my own space where I pray, where I sing, because it's like 3 generations living in one house. I am a daughter to my father. I'm a wife to my husband. And I'm a mother to my child. So I'm playing all these roles. That private moment is the moment where I'm not interacting with the world. It's just me, myself, and I. You're in that bubble. It's like if you see a glass of water, and when you live your life, it's like water is starting to fill up. And then sometimes it's full. When it's full, it's like overflowing. That's when you need that private moment. And you let it go.